Hi, welcome to this course where as a physical therapist, I'm going to be sharing the tools and techniques I use to help patients improve their well-being, as well as the strategies we employ to help them manage their symptoms. I've divided this course into acute, subacute, and chronic. Now, an acute phase, which is especially for people who are experiencing severe symptoms in terms of intensity of pain or how quickly the pain flares up. The way I support patients is different when their symptoms flare up quickly to when they flare up more slowly. When the pain is less intense, that's what I'm going to call the subacute phase. And so if you want to learn more about how I support people in subacute, then I encourage you to start with that, but then return to the acute phase in any case, because there's going to be some general information that can be helpful, well, hopefully will be helpful to you in any case. And then chronic phase is where I try and help people return to a normal, active lifestyle, even if they've had pain for over 3 months. And so if you've had pain for over 3 months and you want to see what I share there, then I encourage you to start there and then to maybe return backwards to subacute and then acute, depending. You can do it at your own rhythm as well. It's important to note that unlike the Improve Your Posture course, which is 1 month and completely chronological, this course tries to look at the different components that contribute to lower back pain. For example, joint hygiene, muscle tensions, how our muscles fire and how we control them, biomechanical contributions to pain and stress, and look at the different tools and techniques I would use as a physical therapist to try and improve a patient's well-being and help them manage their symptoms in each of these circumstances. Hopefully, as you watch this, you can find some helpful tools, tips, and techniques, and also get to know your body more. Hopefully, as you watch both or the acute or the chronic or whichever section, you're going to learn a lot. And I would recommend watching all the videos, even though not all of them will apply to you. Some videos require you to have a partner to do the exercise correctly, but there will still be value in information in that video for yourself, even if you're alone. And you could be more prepared for if a friend comes over asking them for assistance in doing that exercise. I hope you enjoy these videos.